panicking about a low sales month and have tried to post more on Instagram, write more emails to your email list, and create even more content, but the sales are still not coming in? So I've done all these, and all I got was feeling more stressed and more anxious about my business. It wasn't until I learned how to change my thoughts around money and redefine my self-worth where I finally found the mental peace which I needed. The first thing you need to do to keep a positive mindset in business is to separate your self-worth from your income. So self-worth is knowing that you are a unique human being and confident that you have something of value to contribute to the world. As coaches, we are always bombarded with messages that earning 6-7 digits is the ultimate goal. And I hope that our goals in running our businesses are deeper than that. Many of us have big aims such as motivating our audience and helping them succeed. Value is very hard to define, but if you have helped someone learn something or help someone feel good about herself or himself, you have added value. In the law of metaphysics, they call this raising the frequency. If you have raised someone from a low vibration or low emotion to a higher, lighter emotion, you have added lots of value to the universe at large. That's how worthy you are as a human being. And reconnecting with our why, or the reason why you started coaching or started your business in the first place, will remind you that you are worthy even if you don't make big bucks this month. Some wise gurus recommend giving more value when you're having self-worth issues. For coaches or entrepreneurs, this means creating more valuable free content to help your audience. And I mean genuine helpful content, not content with an ulterior motive to drive sales. So when we do this, when we offer genuine helpful content, our mindset does a natural shift. Instead of feeling down, we feel lifted because we are helping more people out there. We feel good about ourselves even though our sales numbers are not ideal. By the way, if you need to explore more about keeping a positive mindset in business, you can click the link in my description box to join my heartfelt mailing list where I share authentic tips on how I stay motivated when running my business. So with that out of the way, let's go to the next tip. The second tip is to change how we think about money. And I don't like to say this, but perhaps we may not be ready to make 6 or 7 digits yet. So this depends on your mental state. So some of us get carried away and we forget our purpose once we make big money. And some of us get more stressed and have less mental peace when we make more money. I'll give you a personal example. So I used to be a full-time mom who worked part-time to fill up her free time. I was grateful even though I was making a small amount every month at that time. But when I started my business and it grew, I was fretting even when I earn so much more now. And when I hit a certain high amount running my business, I was stressed out about how to maintain that amount. For some of us, more money means less mental peace. And I know a young entrepreneur who panicked when they earned $99,000 in April or some month, this year. It's interesting because they were in genuine panic about it and they were used to earning $200,000 a month. So to them, earning $99,000 a month set them into a full-blown anxiety attack. And this person went on a long holiday, hired a therapist, and was having a lot of mental stress. So perhaps this is an example about how some of us are not mentally and emotionally ready to handle big amounts of money. And if you want to get metaphysical about it, the money will come and stay when we are mentally ready and emotionally ready. The third way to keep a positive mindset on a low sales month is to think of it as a sign that we may need to pivot or try something different. If we do things the same way, it gets quite stale and there is a very high chance that we'll be getting the same results. So what we can do is create a new source or a new income stream or do our sales in a different way or try a new marketing technique or just take one small step forward and learn a new marketing technique. Anything that gives us hope and makes us feel energized is going to motivate us. When we are motivated, fresh ideas will flow and we will be in a much happier state of mind. At this point, you may be wondering, I have clients who are in a negative mental state too, and I want to help them out. So that's why your next step is to check out my 31-day positive mindset journal, which I've created myself, and you can actually use it, brand it, and sell it to your audience. The link is in my description box. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.